Yeah. Let me talk to him for a second. Listen, you ever heard that knock on the door and it's different? I heard the war stories you and yours is living in. I'm talking the vividness from every detail I'm penning in. Calibrated them triple beam scales for dividends. My oh my, we moved through the hustle and dog years. So 10 years in is a long time. Imagine 20 how time flies. See, I've poured out liquor and said byes, but celebrating the casualties. My faculty A1, so me minus one of mine is a tragedy. Close knit, the ones that I've grown with. Experimental stages when we didn't know shit. To whispers to them lawyers to put in that motion. Just do it and stand tall, nigga, check the emotions. Remembering yesterday, still pouring the potion while somebody fished that next batch out of the ocean. I'm talking roach clips with the feathers. Adapted to these ways we living in hopes of everything getting better. We aspired to be what they wouldn't let us, praying that we'd make wrong turns so they could get us. Look, some of us dabbled, the rest stayed in. Good kids turned to the same streets we was raised in. Pistol in our britches, can't keep them up. Trying to settle a score or make it evened up. They be saying I'm a piece of work. Yo, they always said I was a piece of work. Used to wanna be talked about around the way for this rap shit, but never talked about for all the yay how it fractured. Take your money in the front, you get the clay on the back step. Separated them both. We evaded the captures, put some groceries in the house, I was the man of it. Protected mines were fatal, sold me 2 AKs, 2 banana clips. Looked me in my eyes, said, Pa, you sure that you can handle it? A week later, 2 memorials, 50 candles lit, imagine that. So when I spit it, it hit them different, you feel me? Half of these niggas nodding and half of them wanna kill me for one reason or another. I'm passionate with the steel beat. Left some permanent scars on a couple niggas I still see. They was beefing by the bitch, already clipped. And insecurities had them cutting my face about a picture. Beef with me ain't nothing you wanna call an accomplishment. Front page news, a piece of pussy done got them hit. Hey look, you don't wanna land on my resume. They said a shooter gon' shoot while the mourners pray. You don't wanna be discovered by the crack of day. Red dot, headshot, if you with it, then let us play. You don't wanna make the headline news. There's a lot of shit going on, but this the lane we choose, you heard? Get you a piece of work, let it hit the street and work. Nigga, I'm a piece of work. You wanna see how Jesus works? I'm at it again, nah, I'm at it to win. Plus I've been at it for years, y'all gotta factor that in. Had my family stressed, I did it all, I ain't had to pretend. Some told life within the dash, but what's after the end? Niggas writing checks that your ass can't cash. You should know that I'm a bad hand. Consider the foe before the advance. I play for keeps, you know I take all. Face cards, I could make an 8 walk. I put in work by late talk. Fortune favors the few risk takers. Hand me the dice, risk it all, but rather lose in Vegas. I beat the odds. I've been mentioned with the few that's shaking. Better rap than be staring down my 2/5 naked. You niggas talk shit, I come through and cloth shit. See everybody gangster till a gangster got the gangsters feeling awkward. It's quiet on the set when it's a ranking nigga talking. Quiet on the set when it's a ranking nigga talking. You like that? I bet you do. Listen, I moved off aggressive anger, clearing present danger. If we ain't getting money, we was less than strangers. To scrape the resi out of stems, they was cutting hangers. Burn the bags, you still a dime of mines, I cut your fingers. I knew too much too soon, too much too young, was way too in tune. Another way would contradict what I was into. I never questioned God, this is what I was meant to. For some it was simple, that's all they ever knew. It was written and legible. Others was in at dinner time, better eat all your vegetables. I was living the life after dark that my friends never knew. We was born losing, I was hunting for a W. I thought that it was love from the blocks, talking heavy, pushing something that had come from the docks, but
I never knew what love was.
misinterpreted smiles, even hugs felt different after the money came. One division, under God, I was under aim. Gotta watch them niggas close, they feeling hunger pains.
I never knew what love. I never knew what love was.
Look, that hand you hold, it might become a chain. Even blood wash away when it's under rain. They tryna secure your gains, you tryna secure your reign. The money gon' come, they just making sure they on the train. Imagine not knowing your team's motives in a rarely fair market that's growing, the air's open. We was at the table with box cutters to tear it open. Year prior we played the staircase on the stairs open. The streets don't love nothing, I've chalked up every loss, everybody or the profits it cost us. A couple funerals and the rest had exhausted us. But on the flip side, all of that kept the cost up. Widen my margins, I play for keeps when they played it, it's just a numbers game. High risk, high reward, and it come with pain.
I never knew what love was.
Streets don't love nobody.
I never knew what love. I never knew what love was.
Hey yo, when I was round, ain't nobody get with me. I got busy, now they wanna miss me. Them tables turn quickly. I need money, can't pay bills with fame and good looks. I'm putting real pain in these bars and hooks. I used to need help till I became it. My mom told me if I win or lose in the rise, I still made it. I'm with the cloth and this ain't nothing basic. Facing my demons all the time on my mind. Success ain't mistaken. All my health is wealth kind of convos. The road to riches with a truck full of O's and an 08 Tahoe. Defeat is a hard pill to swallow. Real niggas gon' follow. I'm at the bar, but my shots is hollow. The homie Mav told me come to the rock. He got a whole block, pick a house and set up shop. I'm zoned out. Every other week another raid. Praying my niggas get out the cage. We staying out the way.
We talking product and placement, they talking 3 strikes, I'm thinking base hits. From a few shook hands and moving great shit, having the time of our lives and none wasted. We made something out of nothing, then we made more. To live the life niggas pray for. See my nigga break one down, made 4. What you think they made raises in place for? Before I took it off that shelf, needed assistance. I decided to help myself through the hard times and hands I had dealt myself. Got some solid ground and money underneath my belt. Remember free lunch and block cheese, food stamps, other vices. I'd rather die rich than live poor and righteous. See the work A1, I got killer prices. See the risk is 16, the reward priceless. Check it, I'm talking product and placement. They talking 3 strikes, I'm talking base hits. Off from shaking some hands and moving great shit. I'm thinking time of my life and none wasted. So if we gotta board them doors up to see the whole team speeding in them Porsches, we couldn't get a hand out here that forced us to go from being employees to bosses. We talking product and placement, they talking 3 strikes, I'm thinking base hits. From a few shook hands and moving great shit, having the time of our lives and none wasted. We made something out of nothing, then we made more. To live the life niggas pray for. See my nigga break one down, made 4. What you think they made raises in place for? Yeah, The car from Germany, Goose from Canada. Used to have a cleanup crew, some crew janitors. Wild hearts running amok, see few managed us. Raised in the thick of it all, the views damaged us. I wasn't looking for accolades, I wanted the money. So I sought out some coke that I could serenade. It was niggas dripping, they women out in their Vera Wang. I was way ahead of that curve, dipping the barricades. No knocks, cold spots that held heat. I don't tell a nigga stay up, it's stay healthy. Been rich at heart, it's a must, my play's wealthy. Cause every move made for the fam and they well-being. I spent nights doing wrong to get right. Took a few K to a pile about this height. All because of shards of glass, they gon' ignite. Come down off of the high and then fist fight. I did dirt for the right reasons. See it worked, I got perks, no breaks, made a nice season. We was niggas on the run eating. Some niggas didn't eat nothing and ended up hunting. I seen hustlers preyed on by those same cats. A quick meal, look at here boy, this ain't that. I bet it all, shit, this ain't cap. I left a few souls where they laid at. Mama got locked up, couldn't hit pops up. Fucking with an older chick, shorty got knocked up. 9 months later, had my firstborn pop up. I was 16, trying to get my low stock up. I had both feet in, doing my homework. But 2 blocks over, I was letting the foe jerk. Parked a new V on the same curve, say word. Gossipers talking about what they heard. Nigga, I don't rap, I be getting shit up off of my chest. I just tell it a little different, I would never confess. Imagine being that young, catching all of that stress. They said I'd die young, I was taking all of the best. They said I'm worthless, but I was hungry and had purpose. A new son, a few guns, a few merchants. Dreaming about the house on the hill, a few servants. Some niggas stayed back where it's safe, was too nervous. I did dirt for the right reasons. See it worked, I got perks, no breaks, made a nice season. We was niggas on the run eating. Some niggas didn't eat nothing and ended up hunting. I seen hustlers preyed on by those same cats. A quick meal, look at here boy, this ain't that. I bet it all, shit, this ain't cap. I left a few souls where they laid at.
Pistol Pass.
Пробудился,
Mad salute. You know what I mean?
луч солнца пробудился.
Look. You better talk to your man. I was jumping in front of bullets for you, thought we was fan. Now motherfuckers is dying, it's time to slaughter the lamb. It's a 9mm Nighthawk with a can. This Duffy is made with a thick fiber, and know I'm always next to the pump like I'm Rick Steiner. Always doing work with my hands like a thick massa. My Aki always keep his eye open for imposter. The sun spark in the east, gem star to his forehead, mark of the beast. I would never let my cold D starve in the street. The second Messenican wall was Sparta and Greece. In and out, I made 75 clean. This bulldog take him and drop him like Vazine. The 460 is the loudest round. The empty vessel make the loudest sound. Yeah. Pack Pistol Pazzy. Mavi, salute him, Papa. Alhamdulillah. Slump Gang and all that, Official Pistol. Know what I'm saying?
When that feeling in the air's getting awkward, all I did was stare with the talkers. Right before I aired with my chalkers, left the money there with the bodies, blood and the hawk spit. Everything not what it seems, my mother cautioned, right? Seen friends turn foes and the best ones, get them gone, on to the next one. But everyone I let get close, I done left one. You ain't gotta like your enemy, but respect them. Gutted them and bled them. The writing on the wall, reading red rum. The best type of foe is a dead one. They said that I'm headstrong. Fuck they saying it to you for. You with me, stop listening and do more. See, loyalty a lost cause. Everything we after was hard fought. Riders, fed them gunpowder and hot sauce. Every step forward, a block loss. No step backwards. Said what I said, let it pop off.
Dwelling through the ghetto where I used to reside. Recruited for crimes, was winning but I was losing my mind. Street tactics, we practice how to maneuver with nines. Days in the spot, help provide these cocaine Peruvian rhymes. Read your body language and how you move in your eyes. I make a statement, aggressive handshake clearly was blatant. Was famous on the pavement, was labeled as an assailant. Retaliation sanctioned cause you was late with the payment. Move in the shadows, dark shoes with the camo. Street rules when you gamble, keep the tool filled with ammo. Many nights, no lights, had to chill with the candles. I'm a hustler, build customers with deals and them samples. Practice patience, every move is calculated. In the lane saturated, make sure I craft some greatness. Survive the rhymes that I wrote, I had to live it. I painted vivid, street niggas know this language different.
They was rapping about these street tales. I was 9 hours out talking business, wearing seashells. Looking at the big picture twice, although it seemed well. Found strength in the struggle when it seemed frail. It's all a part of it. Left lane. I've seen the days end, counting them dollars up in the days end, looking for an out while niggas fighting their way in, trying to grow old, retire and let my grace thin, knowing when the dirt stop flying, that's where the grave ends. Been to my hood, but I don't know if it's favorite. I'm out where it's green grass, I'm neighborly with my neighbors, I recollect my all black fit, pulling the caper to know that I still got it. It's something that I could savor, know the day to day. 10 bitches bagging with they titties out, 2 gunners, 1 runner, savvy when he get it out. Did it one time, tried to live it out. Getting out, made 100K, fucking stick around. Running when we hit the ground, making sure the practice was fine-tuned, while knowing we could be identified in the line soon. Cause lines get crossed, couple niggas will die soon. Investigators combing through my shit that's on iTunes. Sitting low in the AA, got me some chocolate, we on the play date. 5-3 something, gon' have her hollering Mayday. I got her imported, I needed a little vacay. Coconut titties and fresh fruit of a JJ, she nasty, plus I'm in freak mode. This a dangerous game, like duck in the Ricos. With heels, she like 5'8", girl I'm a shark, and you the live bait. Knowing that you fresh up for flight, I figured why wait. Doing 100 on the Don Shula E-way. 70 floors up, we play. You left your panties in the passenger seat. Valet sniffing them. Left a blue note on the dash, now that's tipping them. New Dior dress on the floor, I stay ripping in. Shadows on the other side of the door, they listening. I make you scream louder while they listening. Head down while your lip gloss glistening. She tastes good, forbidden fruit. She the apple in the garden, girl, look at you. And her love for me is bulletproof. She'll go get it and she'll bring it through. She said it's a thrill thing, but her love for real. And she know I'm the real thing, I'm living proof. Imagine hitting the door, only gone for a score and don't make it out of the living room. Panties and a t-shirt on, she in the kitchen with the T-bone steak, cheese, eggs, and Welch's grape butt. I got a taste for something else. You should see her waist, she's something else. She do it all, I'm feeling like we way too involved. Our play dates are way too evolved. She on deck, sitting back, she played to my calls from the check-in desk all the way down the hall. She play with her own money, she tell me it's just a thrill thing. She had it all but the real thing. She even brung her girlfriend through. She been hearing a lot about me and she wants some too. She about to pay for it. She came a mighty long way for it. Put her off the glass, Tim Duncan out of Wake Forest. She about to blow, baby, wait for it. Go ahead, shit, I know you got a taste for it.
Не несут сюда цветов, не несут сюда цветов, не несут сюда цветов, не несут сюда цветов. Здесь не слышен стон навал, не несут сюда цветов.
I see you made it out for the better. I'm just used to the struggle, don't see a way out. I'm staying 10 toes, I just wait to see how it play out. My day to day, what it is, see I'm hand in hand with the numbers. Probably spend my dying days in the ambulance in the slumber. This is all I know, education dictating how far I go. Statistics say I got a couple years, then it's Vamanos, 21 is a milestone. I'm 16, at least 5 years to live out, so I'm doing me in the meantime.
You wildin', this is us in the future, beyond the shooters. That same aggression, you guys show me how I need to maneuver. We refine, now it's wines, no Hennessy in the stupor. We directing, it's perfected, no busting licks in the Uber. I tapped into everything that you are and took it further, even though we still bearing the scars that make for a better story on account of it's ours though. The only way is up for us as far as the odds go.
Nigga, I had $1,000 day, you think I'm trying to leave? That's 365K if done properly. I got myself a place and I'm enterprising the property. Double checking surveillance and watching the niggas watching me and what's perfected. I've been on the low, ain't trying to get detected. Got that 5-7 so they get the message. Been slipping the slip detected. I'm 2 steps ahead, they gotta give some effort. This a game of chess, they on the clock, these niggas playing checkers.
Look, I hear you and feel you, I know the old ways. I was you, I made 100,000 off the old plays. Well, more actually, with less liquid, was more happy. Got my numbers right, shook up the law, they threw it at me. You gotta listen, to see a hard head and make a soft ass. We went on the run, then fell, and had to crawl back, I'm telling you. We turned them crumpled ones to a tall stack, and cars the only thing we got in all black, and all that.
It's a lot of despair and the terror, it's just where the killers creep. Shots of air, they don't care for the serendipity. Ain't no morals and killers, just living with bare iniquities. New world order attacking, are you prepared for the ministry? My mind derived from the alien sectors, vicarious lessons. They leading the blind to the brailless, detecting these words is in fact creating a lane that's impaling in plexus. They selling the false sense of real to the sailors rejected. I'm 15 deep in this eat with the slickest devious peepers. My pencil leaks put a cease to your Wikipedias. My expertise separate from the intermediate. Guided with balanced spectrum, see weakness cause shit is teetering. And my parables incomparable. I'm skinning and made me comparable out of the bears and caribou. Equipped with the bangers, grab it and lift the can. They in imminent danger, these lines is hazardous pictograms.
Yeah, spoke from the corners to the visiting room. So either or, nigga, give me some room. Been pulling strings, a lot of y'all niggas getting in tune. I've been a fixture in the kitchen with the butter knife, dipping the fumes, rip the saran wrap, whipping the pan, knowing it fed me. Peeping through the blinds, the kitchen curtain, the bed sheet. Motorola up the lookouts, peeping if niggas dead crib. Gunners on the block, bare arms thicker than head grease. 9 blocks, I'm living the game of tic-tac. Took losses, still we plotting to get back. We just stomach the pain and grimace, it's just a mishap. When we even the scores, your little brothers could get clapped. Some woke, I broke bread with some. Don't choke, cause when you can't breathe, they won't know. This life fast, we're praying to God you go slow. It's like that, I keep y'all fed, just no dough.
Mission aborted, you boring boy, ain't got no point, it's just annoying us. I'm killing, I'm sad when I make it joyous. I flame you with these flames, these flames and beaches flamboyant. I'm hanging out the hoop, do you think I could transform it? We guards on the track, when we spit it started storming. Left is fitted with its sizzle, I'm grilling like George Foreman. Yo, this 4-4 big as a horse from 4 horsemen. I'm shooting out 4, when I hit it's a forewarning. You fake ass preacher can't play the game from the bleachers. I might check a nigga chin like it's Nikes rocking Adidas. Scuffing your face up, yo, look like a sneaker. Yo, your boys ain't slapping, might slap the shit out your speakers. Yo, I hear your songs, then after I get amnesia. Yo, I'm aiming for the king, put his top and give him a Caesar. He just a Caesar, I'm shaking, this ain't a seizure. I'm in the Hall of Fame, see my face when I kill your feature, nigga.
Bajo un cielo que afuera
Gotta let this shit breathe a little bit. I just wanted them to feel that shit. Hear how that shit drop. I'ma sell it on this shit. We just gonna have some fun. Let me talk. Yo, they was waiting for the settled dust. I up something and settled up. You know that however it plays out, them or us. Buried in the fall, they long gone when the winter come. Did it all year, I'm strong on the December run. If I killed you in 20, it ain't a 21. Over with, wipe down, load the clip. Walk down, blow the fifth. Take 2 hands just to hold the stick. Dig a deep hole, we can throw them in. Spinning in that TNC minivan. Drum round spinning like a ceiling fan. Playing Shark Week, nah, kill a man. Wait until the time come, been the plan, been the play. We don't fuck with y'all shit anyway. You was in the house, me, I was on the back block, scraping plates, packing new razors. Shaving yay, Kane was our saving grace. We ain't wait for shit, we just made a way. Hand over fist, watching hard times fade away. I've been the topic as of late, all 2020. I just let the grind go get it for me. Y'all niggas pitching dummies, fucking up the flow. All missing money, made $250,000 off of pitching gummies. For a line of coke, we can throw her in the yoke, or hit your bunny nasty. See, we do it different, buddy, we don't even like her. You about to wife her, throw your bitch a beta. Let my niggas pipe her, we in the left lane, you a right turn. We was bad kids, nigga, bright burn. Stains on the knees, long sideburns. In the fiend whip, making wide turns. For a couple chips off an iceberg. Bitch had the tight curve, we was out late, we was pulling all-nighters. 12 or 13 years old, all riders. 5 of us had 2 guns, 2 drivers. High speed chase, no charge, all minors. All minors. That mean they coming home. Give me some wild ones. That's TMI. TMI. Scammers had me out late, in and out of state, was on a great run. The money came, but I neglected my day one. Not them niggas that I ran my rackets with, active shit. But my status had me hunting, grab your bitch, and that was it. My character flaws shone through. Since I'm the man, I gotta show and prove. Well, that's what I'm thinking, though that's the wrong move. Like, my lady ain't on too. She know my capabilities, but not what I'm gonna do. She know that I'm gonna move. I know y'all from the block, I went to school with her. She been around, we got together, I grew with her. It's been real shit, I done fathered a few litters. Asked her for a hand, reciting our vows through jitters. When we at odds, it's at my own hands. The streets for the streets, draw a line where the home stands. I'm thinking if this God's plan, shit I'm slipping, I gotta play it different. Knowing what it is and knowing what it is.
When you find the girl you love has gone, you have to stop while life must go on.
Was whispering sweet nothings, none of it mean nothing, so weigh in. Was running game off fame, and then the play-ins, different cities. I kept a few, they hold a couple dollars, and a hammer at the crib when I'm landing. They know I'm coming through, ain't trying to make them comfortable. Plus her son is a bugaboo. I know it ain't right, but it's still functional. Hit the soil, she did 10 minutes early, she punctual. Play like I care, I give her that stare and ask her who fucking you love. I got it all back when my plane departed. Cribs, kids, plus my bitch a Nobel Prize winner and Purple Hearted. Out of state, I'm counting some dollars, thinking about how it started. Trusting good pussy, it's complicated, I found a target. Damn, in jeopardy to lose both. I got a situation on a few coasts. I'm fighting a few ghosts, thinking which lady I don't wanna lose most. Bruised hope, knowing that a big loss coming. Shit, how would you cope?
Thank you, Lord, about losing someone, but deep inside you pray.
Desperados in the night now. Who wants to dance? Hey. Desperados in the night now.
Right. They wanna kill a skin, it's probably where it's all. I was probably spilling, pushing buttons like an aerosol. Higher than a stealth missile, sneak attack aerosol. Niggas caught the ball but really didn't have the wherewithal. Every day you're mad at on the clock and y'all be very soft. Very soft, terry cloth. Nothing soft about me, I'm from Terry's cloth. Rappers throwing jabs with slicker, watch how I bury y'all. Chicken, cheese, steaks, and fries, you keep the caviar.
Carry on.
Cakes and pies, chasing the dairy off. And deli marksman lays with eyes waiting to bury y'all. I'm Barry Bonds, hey, surprise, stupid, you hear alarms shooting off your lips, but you should've listened. I'm very calm, I'm lactose, but I love cheese. You niggas wacko, you lactose, cause you don't squeeze. You never pack toast, you act most, but I know cheese, and it ain't that though. Me and you colliding, a Prius
Sharp
hitting
as
the
ever
max.
down to my cufflinks, brink of insanity. Made me a genius, this English is so distinguished. Quick to have you extinguished, yeah I mean it. My compadres, they kill for a thrill. Red pants from Jean Metzinga, vision's way more meaner. Models taste and blow from the tip of my penis. My words linger like the stench from a foul corpse, playing this foul sport. Witness greatness for this fortune, this our royalty rise. Code of honor is so precious, this where loyalty lies. Out of many, in pluribus unum, living legal for legal tenders. Now catch this clarity, the high tide glide. Sentence is diamond cut, devious demon scheming. Greedy, they glutton guts, but never starve this rhyming slut. The storm tamer, the flight booker, the forecast changer. Dirty pistol holder with coke and soda, feeding the smokers. Risky nights, I seen the devil and danced with him. No band and rhythm, just my will to live on my bold spirit, cause most fear it.
True grind, eyes glow in the dark, I'm a lupine. In due time, I rise up early, fold up my futon. Autobiographies of the urban legends we descended. Ain't a loop of recruits or a worthy tenant. I wouldn't oblige, a nigga's mindset is a mirage. Hard to dodge, see I'm a rhyme vet. You ain't a threat if they ain't peeking through they blinds yet. Seeking you will find yet a lethal weapon, crime rep. In a lab with a beacon, slabs on the stovetop. Cooking over beats like Marcy before the old rock. Hunger pains will give a chip on your shoulder, so watch me get it from the curb. Now that's a chip off the old block. It takes one record to change direction. No range, that's a lane's perspective. I try to give you the game, but you ain't for lessons. See, I'ma work in this lane till my name's fluorescent.
70s era tutelage, niggas in cells dining on tuna fish. Suckers celebrating they truantness. Sat at the table and brung nothing. This thing of ours, they ruined it. Far and few, but real niggas do exist. Niggas couldn't walk a mile, studied the cadence and got the gate wrong. Required respect of a young Avon. Any ground I touch with my constituents, we all ate on. Presented with plates that y'all laid on. Ace the academic portion, my parallels pit me against me. They got it all, them shell casings was empty. 6 drop, I speed low, 6 more. You need those. Half in the house, 2 boarded doors and peepholes. That night bag had 2 guns and street clothes. 100K cash, 2 room keys, a safe code, plus a good prayer and a great load to take home. 2-car line when the night falls and days gone. Money in the bank, and the bill's good. We don't need nothing from a soul, and it feels good. I done made it out, I'm from the bottom, from a real hood. Ain't a soul feeling what I'm saying, then the real should. I seen niggas die, and I'm still living. We ain't beefing, homie, I'm out the way. You still tripping? If the beef held real weight, then I deal with it. I'm just glad I'm still alive, homie, you still riffing. My son had another son, and my 2 grands. Seeing my oldest love as many me's, and my new plans living to grow old. Writing notes to a few jam, reminiscing the gambling. I done bluffed on a few hands, damn. I made a way trying to make it out. In my old days, motels or a vacant house. Now I got a few, wouldn't matter if they stake them out. Cause they all mines, all grind, never had a doubt. Listen, my mother's still alive and my sis good. My father just expired, but he lived good. Wish I had a little more time so we could spend some more time. But we mended hard times, so I've been good. Me and my brother not close, but the love's there. See him when I see him, it's open arms and hugs here. Used to feel the way Pops had him out in the burbs while I was stuck on the curb. It's guns, killings, and drugs here. Ain't lost a nigga in a minute, and I'm thankful. None of us had nothing, so losing something is painful. We were searching for outs and steady playing the angles. Now I battle my demons abetted by all my angels. Look in the mirror and I'm seeing myself. I've been every type of nigga, that's me being myself. It's just consistency and work between me and the wealth. Hang up my jersey long as I can lead the streets with my health. Amen. Nah. Yeah. That's what we doing. Can you hear me now? Know the difference. Popularity, impotent penmanship. Benedict sentences I've been penning for benefit. Recollection been guiding me when I reminisce. It's truth in the writings, that's why I give you the illest shit. I've been at the crossroads, cause I done been Marlowe, but I ain't never been Snoop, now Chris Parlow. I sat in the dark as they spilled bottles, how that pill swallowed. Off-roading, that's when the steel follows. Was in too deep, losing my mind, but no sleep though. The spice of life, so frito. Nigga, I was sinning when the winnings came. Guns, glory, and women's chains. Homie, this isn't make-believe, I've been in the game. So when I hear niggas spit it, I'm never entertained. I did it, homie, I done lived the pain. Just like that, just like that. Man, we done been through all of that shit. Having to talk yourself into shit, talk yourself through shit, walk yourself out of that shit. It's just what it is. Never been proud of none of that shit. I remember getting the butterflies before I could let it rise. Remember that. Cause miscalculations led to the other side. I'm pondering, go through with it. Maybe I let it slide, but it's only a 60-second ride. I painted pictures with a steel brush flowing. That 9X19 blowing. The barrel hot, still glowing. I kept throwing till they called on. All my ops, it's all gone. When you ain't with the shit that you talking, I'm who you call on like shit. The way I run hot and cold, phenomenal. Me and my butterflies put a few through your abdominal wall. It's nothing glamorous, literally. I've spilled guts, just get it over with. Ain't no time for letting shit build up. I'm still cut, I break niggas over the coals. See, the hammer got a story and plus a couple of souls, nigga. Get 'em done.